Starting to learn Java programming, first you need a IDE for Java. Therefore, Eclipse IDE will be a good choice for you because it is free and easy to set up. I will show up on how to install Eclipse IDE in this video. Besides, I will show how to write a Hello World program after installation. Now, let's get started to install Eclipse IDE. First, we need to download Eclipse IDE from official website. We can either search official download site by search engine or by using link provided in description and comment sections. This is how the official download page look like. We click download x86_64 and then click download to start download the installer. Now we just wait the file to be downloaded. After that, we will proceed to installation part. Now we open installer file that we downloaded just now. And now we choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer, since we want to write Java program with it. And choose the installation folder before you click install button. After you click install, then you need to read the user agreement and accept it to continue installation. After you accept the user agreement, it may take about half hour to complete, and you may get a copy while waiting. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss. Now, let's try to launch the Eclipse IDE. You need to select the folder for workspace to store your Java projects. We have successfully launched Eclipse IDE. Let's move on to write our first Hello World program. First, we click create a Java project on left menu and then the project name I put first_project. You can put any project name as you like. Then click X and then click finish, and we need to create module info Java. Now we need to add main class to write our code, and the package name should same as the module name so it's work properly. Now we can write our first Java code here. First we need to write a main function as an entry point of the program. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. In main function, we write system.out.println hello world in parentheses and end the statement with semicolon. Remember, package name should same as the module name in module info Java. And then now we try to run this program. It shows hello world as output, so our program can execute it properly. Now we try to change class name, and Eclipse will show red wavy underline because the Java program will begin with a class name which must be matched with file name. Feel free to give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.